Hey guys, it's your girl J to the ODY. It's that flavor baby, yes, and I'm back with another video, yes. So you guys, my name is jodyflava. If you're new to this channel, I am a makeup artist, hairstylist, YouTuber, vlogger, blogger, fashionista, all of the above. I like to share my makeup routines, new tricks, hacks, unboxings. Also, I like to do my hair, do hair tutorials, and show styles and different looks. As you can see, I have in one today, and the video for this style is actually should be up by now or going up, so you guys want to check it out if you're interested in seeing how I got this style together. So also I do unboxing and hauls from retailers, from boutiques. So if you're interested in any of my hauls, I do have some posted where I do try on the items that I get. So all in all together, this is just a channel for the goodies, the girls that like to get dressed up, like to look cute, and like to explore different styles and be creative, and that's what I do here. So if you are interested in my channel and any of my videos, then don't be afraid to subscribe, leave a comment, let me know how you like my channel, and if any of my videos interest you, definitely share it with others. So this video today is all about Sephora and the big savings event that is going on currently. Yes, so if you are a Sephora insider, VIB, or Rouge, then you do have discounts to look forward to on starting different days of this month, going all the way until 24th of April. So if you haven't gone in yet to get any items, like myself, get on in there before the 24th. So I'm just here to basically give some insights on some of the items that I have gotten from Sephora in the past, things that I would recommend, and some things that I might be picking up myself this time, and some recent purchases that I feel like went really well, so I am recommending that others get a hold of those products while they have the chance. The first item that I want to get into, and actually just to let you guys know that I don't have some of the items that I'm recommended. They're items that I have used before, so I currently do not have them, but as I said, I do want to get some items and stock up, so I might be going to grab those while I got the chance during the sale. So I would be going over products that I feel like if you're a first-time makeup buyer, it's never too late to become an insider and get, I think it's 10% that insiders get, so you would get 10% off of your purchases. So these are some items that maybe as a first-time makeup buyer, you don't know what exactly you would like to get or what you would need. And so those are items that I will be going over also, your basic essentials of makeup. So the first item that I will go to is your foundation. So it's good to have a good foundation base. That's actually not the first item you need, but we're just so the first so as a foundation, the one that I would recommend would be anything from Too Faced. I currently use Too Faced foundation. The one I use, sorry I don't have the lid, is the Born This Way matte foundation in the shade Mahogany. So I really like this foundation. I love how this is not the first time I'm using a Too Faced foundation. I actually used the peach line before it was, I actually don't know if they still have it, but I did use the peach line for some time. I really like their foundation. I think it goes on very smooth, very seamless, and it is most of the time matte. Actually, I think most of their foundations should be matte. I've only used their matte foundation. They don't crack up during the day or give a cakey effect that I can see, and I've built them up. I build them up, I put other products on top, I wear powder on top, and I never get that cakey face. There are other foundation brands too that you are able to get that I would recommend. Too Faced is just the one that I'm using now. So I would recommend also Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty's foundation that I haven't used their foundation in at least maybe a year and a half now, but from what I know, their foundation was really good, so I was using that for a while. Fenty has a good foundation too, as far as I know, from the matte foundation. When it comes to the more dewy foundation, I'm not really familiar with the Fenty brand. I am familiar with the Rare Beauty dewy foundation, and that is really good. I prefer a matte look, but whenever I do have what like an everyday type of look, I would choose the Rare Beauty foundation because it is really good. So I have owned that foundation. I have bought that foundation before and used it all the way through. I would also say that to pick up anything from Rare Beauty. So right now, so I've had the most of the line already when it first came out a few years ago. I did get my hand on the blush, the primer, the foundation, the brow pencil, the liner. What else did I have? I think that was it. But yeah, so I did have a lot, and I think, and the sponge. So I did have a lot from the line, and the Rare Beauty line, I must say, is a really nice line. It was really designed very good down to the packaging. I would definitely try to get my hand on some items from Rare Beauty because I just feel like their line is very nice. It's very clean, and the packaging is elegant and beautiful, and their stuff really is good quality. Because I had an incident recently where with my lips, where I'd use a product and it brought damage to my lips. They were really damaged. They were dry and chappy, and I was trying to revive it, and at the time when I got a hold of the new Rare Beauty lip oil, and I must say that Rare Beauty lip oil healed my lips in no time. It did not give me no bad effects, and in fact it, as I said, revived my lips. So I stand by that lip oil. It's currently in my bag and I use it all the time. It is my go-to. Also from Rare Beauty, I would recommend the liquid blush. So this is the liquid blush in the shade Worth. This is a new shade. I've also tried the shade Lucky. That was the first shade I had. So the liquid blushes are amazing. I am currently wearing this shade, the Worth, right now. It is so subtle and so beautiful. They do have brighter ones if you're into something brighter, and they do have a more faint ones if you're into something that's a little bit more subtle. So Rare Beauty, definitely something that I would try to get in there and get a hold of something from the Rare Beauty line while it's you still have a chance. They do also have a primer. As I mentioned, I had the primer, and I believe they have two types of primers now. So as we speak of primers, so before you even go into your foundation, you do want to put on a good primer on your face. So there's many different brands in Sephora, including Sephora itself. Sephora does have their own brand that is very affordable. So you are able to shop the Sephora collection. They do have primers also, but all of these brands that I've spoken of do have primers too that I know of. So Too Faced, Rare Beauty, Fenty, they all have primers. So I would go get in there and get yourself a good primer. I don't have one specific that I would recommend right now. I would probably be going in there to look for a good primer too. So any recommendations you have for any primers, you can put them down below. And I'll definitely try to get my hands on them, just hopefully during the sale, so I could try them out. But definitely you want to head into Sephora and get yourself a primer if you're intending to use any foundation or anything like that, right? So Fenty, speaking of Fenty, Fenty does have a great line of lip glosses as well as other makeup products. They do also have foundation, primers, and mascara. I actually recently got the Fenty mascara, the very new one that came out. So far so good. It's actually on my eyes right now, although you can't see because of my bangs, but it is really good so far. It's supposed to be volumizing, which I definitely think that it is giving me a lot of volume. So that is something that I would recommend. It's not necessarily in my video on recommendations, but it is an honorable mention because it's something that I am using right now. So what I would recommend to get from Sephora from the Fenty line would be the lip glosses, period. So this is the Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb from Fenty Beauty. I love this lip gloss. It's actually what I'm wearing right now, and it is very glossy. I do have another pigment underneath, another color underneath. However, the gloss itself is very glossy. It's very high shine. The packaging is adorable. The top is a mirror, so oftentimes when I'm reapplying my makeup, I can use this mirror to do my my liner, and then I can use the lip gloss and I could touch up and look at what I'm doing. So I definitely would recommend this lip gloss if you're looking for a nice high quality, high shine lip gloss. They do also have a plumping one. I have not tried it yet, however I am looking into trying that next. So Morphe, I love the Morphe brand. Unfortunately, Morphe is no longer available as a store here in Canada, but we are lucky that Sephora has always carried Morphe, so we are able to still get Morphe items at Sephora if we want to go in store or online. So I would go in and get my hands on some of the Morphe products because Morphe is very good price. Their price is very reasonable for their makeup, and it is great quality. I've had almost everything from Morphe. Their setting powder is amazing. I don't know if it's carried by Sephora, so I'll just mention that, but they do have a setting powder. I'm pretty sure it should be carried by Sephora, but they don't have everything, or I'm not sure if they have everything. So don't quote me. But what I do really love, and my go-to, and something that I seem to cannot live without from the Morphe brand, is the Morphe setting spray. This setting spray is amazing. It will keep your makeup flawless. I'm wearing it right now. It will keep on your makeup all day, all night. It's called the continuous setting mist, and it really is a continuous setting because it sets you all day. I live by this setting spray, and you don't even need a lot. You just need a quick spray. I tend to use a lot, but you just need a quick spray and it'll hold you in. It's almost been compared to hairspray. However, it does not have a smell of hairspray, nor does it give you a tacky or sticky feel ever. So that is definitely something that I recommend. That is highly, highly, highly recommended, that if you're going into Sephora and you're grabbing these items, I would recommend that you definitely get your hand on the Morphe setting spray. Sephora collection does have their own setting spray that I've heard is really good also. So if you want to try out a good price setting spray, I would check that one out. And other brands, a lot of brands have their own setting spray, so I would definitely look into getting a good setting spray if you would like your makeup to last all day. This is for my new makeup lovers. If you would like your makeup to last all day and with little to no touch up, definitely get your hands on a setting spray, a good one. As I said, Sephora does have their own brand of items. So one of the new items that I've tried from Sephora collection is their wipes. So this is the watermelon version. This is a mini because I bought it just to try it out alongside the new version that they have, which is a coconut. The coconut smells amazing. It is currently finished, so I cannot show it to you because I just got it and I fell in love with it, and I just started to use it like crazy, and now it's done. So I'm on to this one, and I will be getting the full-size coconut once this is done because it smells amazing. When you put it on, it's like you're literally smelling a fresh coconut, and it's beautiful. So I would recommend getting your hands off of that, and it does remove your makeup really quickly, and it is very effective when it comes to makeup removal. So I'll get your hand on that. Sephora collection does have a lot of other things too. They have pretty much anything that you would find in the store. Something else that I'm currently using from Sephora collection is the clarifying peel pads. So I have been using those on when as part of my routine, my skincare routine, and I do find that it is effective of reducing my blemishes so far. I haven't been using it so long, but I haven't found any breakouts at all using it. I actually feel like it's actually doing better for my skin, just as I said that the lip oil had rejuvenated my skin. I believe these pads are rejuvenating, because if a little blemish comes, which I know is not coming from the pad, it comes from many other things, which is using other products, testing other products, I should say, or maybe even just the sanitization of my brushes or makeup utensils. So if I get a small bump blemish, I realize that I use these pads and it's almost non-existent. So I really feel like these pads are something that's definitely something that you should try out. They are something new from Sephora, so if you wanted to go in and check that out, then you could, yes. So another item that I would recommend from Sephora collection is something new that I've gotten, but I think it is really good for any new makeup enthusiasts, any new makeup lovers to get a hand of. It is the Sephora eyeshadow, the color shifter eyeshadow palette. I recently got this eyeshadow palette and I think it's just amazing as a first time makeup lover. I think it's amazing, one, because it's small, it's compact. It comes with a mirror. Sorry that it's a little bit dirty. It comes with a mirror. It comes with 5 shades, and they are 5 essential shades. You have a darker shade that you would need for depth. You have a shimmer, you have some shimmers, a shimmer, a topper, and you have 2 matte shades. So I think it gives you what you need to get a nice, natural, everyday makeup look. It's great for a new makeup lover, a newbie to start off with. It's a great price. It's very, very affordable. So I believe that this is definitely something that for a new makeup lover, it would be something to have in your collection for sure. It'd be a great starter. So recently I've been using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. That brow pencil is changing my brows, the way that I do my brows. I used to do my brows with just any type of eyeliner pencil, like a dark brown, and just do normal box brows. Now that I've gotten a hold of this brow pencil and I'm actually using it, I'm actually loving the look of my brows. You can't see them now because of my bangs, of course. However, it does give my brows more of a natural look, very much toned, very elegant, very natural. So I've been enjoying using it. It's now my go-to for my brows. So that's something I would get my hand on. If not that, there is many other brands of brow pencils out there, including Sephora collection does have their own brow pencil as well. And I might get my hand on that one too, so I could try out the formula. Something else that I would get from the Sephora sale as a new makeup lover would be some skincare, because when doing makeup you will come across breakouts. It does come with it, and especially if you're not taking the steps to prevent the breakouts. So that's having a great skincare routine, having a good sanitization routine for your equipment, and Sephora does offer those things. So Sephora has skincare items, as I showed you, the peel pads. They have moisturizer, which is something that you would want to get. You would want to get a cleanser, that's to wash your face. You'd want to get a toner. The toner would help to get off any after washing, using your face, using the cleanser, you would then use the toner, and the toner would get rid of any excess makeup and also would have or dirt or anything. So that is it for my Sephora savings event recommendation video. Yes, so let me know below if you plan on getting any of the products that I mentioned. Let me know if there's anything that you plan on getting that I haven't mentioned that you think that I would like or should try out. Let me know if you do plan on going to the savings event this year. And also, if you're not subscribed to this channel already, be sure to subscribe below and ring the bell so you get notified whenever I post a video. I do tend to post videos weekly, and I also post weekly vlogs if you're interested in seeing a bit of my daily life and my everyday routine and this journey that I'm on right now. Also give this video a like, and I will see you guys in the next one. It's your girl J to the ODY. It's that flavor, baby. Yes. Bye, guys.